We're showing you this new racking system that we just got from Paint Line. Thing's absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna show you the hangers. It comes with the full set of hangers, the racking spray rack, and then the drying rack. Here's the set of hangers right here. This is what they look like. Right here, indestructible hangers. Right here. So it comes with 3 of the drying racks right here. Here they are. Let me show you the hangers. The thing spins right here, and you can actually put a dowel right here. A dowel. It comes with a dowel that's like a foot long. We forgot to bring the dowel, but you can stick the dowel in there. That way you don't have to actually touch the hangers when you're spinning it, or you don't have to the spinning device. But it's got a cotter pin right here on the top, just like that. So to show you, we're starting to get some hanging up right here. So the one thing cool about these hangers, once again, is these hangers, they don't twist and turn like our old style hangers, the wooden ones. And you can actually set them up tighter, so you can get a lot more doors on a system, on the hanging system with these type of hangers. So check it out. So you can see once he hangs them, they don't twist and turn. So the really cool thing about this system, this whole racking and spraying system, it literally sets up in less than 10 minutes. It's about 5 to 7 minutes and you can set it up. Thing's absolutely cool. It goes in bags, so it all goes in 3 bags. So there's one of the bags. The other bag right here, to show you. The other bags are somewhere, they're right here. They just go in these orange bags right here. So pretty cool. No tools needed to set it up. All you do is pull it out of the bag. You don't have to have any tools. The only thing, there's a couple nuts that you tighten, some flat nuts, just like that. I'm gonna sign off. I just wanted to show you guys the new racking system that we got, that spray system, absolutely amazing. You gotta check it out, and it's so cool.